Kolmaskop is a mining town built by the Germans, who occupied Namibia in 1908. We begin the visit of the site from the museum and the period photos. The city was born when, after learning that this area was rich in diamonds, many German miners settled there. At this point, the German government declared this area a restricted zone and began to exploit the diamond fields. Inspired by the enormous wealth accumulated by the early diamond prospectors, the colonial authorities built a city in German architectural style. It was self-contained in every way, equipped with shops and services including a hospital, a dance hall, a power station, a school, a theater, a gymnasium, a bowling alley, a casino, an ice-making plant. It also had the first tram in Africa, and a railway was opened to nearby Lüderitz. Some rooms are still in a surprising state of preservation. Here, time seems to have stopped. Original furniture in perfect Teutonic style, with elegant and solid lines, evoke the luxury and refinement of an era now vanished. The carefully crafted period furnishings tell the story of the daily life of the former inhabitants, once attracted by the illusion of wealth that the diamond deposits promised. Contrasted with the sand slowly creeping through doors and windows, these spaces convey a fascinating combination of decay and resistance to time, offering visitors an evocative journey into the German colonial history of Southwest Africa. The city was depopulated after the First World War, with the decline of diamond mining activity. Profits here came at a high price. The climate was extreme, with scorching temperatures during the day and freezing temperatures at night, and the city's isolation in the desert made life very difficult. It was finally abandoned in 1954. In Kolmaskop, abandoned houses offer a surreal and photographically fascinating spectacle. The buildings, once symbols of wealth and prosperity, are now evocative settings where nature is slowly regaining control. The sand, incessantly carried by the wind, has passed through open doors and windows, sometimes accumulating up to half the height of the rooms, creating golden dunes that shape the interiors with sinuous and ever-changing forms. This contrast between human architecture and the unstoppable power of nature gives rise to extraordinary images, where lights and shadows dance on dusty surfaces, enhancing the sense of mystery and melancholy that envelopes this ghost town. A place suspended in time, perfect for those looking for unique and evocative scenarios to immortalize.